Welcome. This is your time to rest, to restore, to be gently held by the night. Take a slow, deep breath in. And gently let it go. Feel the body begin to soften. Another slow breath in. And exhale all the tension. Let it melt. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your head against the pillow. Your shoulders gently sinking down, releasing, relaxing, letting go. Now bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it. Just feel the rise and fall, soothing the nervous system into calm, and the mind into quiet. Now we'll scan the body, lightly, slowly, with kindness. Begin at the top of the head. Soften the scalp, the forehead. Release the eyebrows. Unclench the jaw. Let the tongue rest gently in the mouth. Soften the neck. Feel the weight of your head fully supported. No holding, just letting go. Draw attention to the chest. Notice the rise and fall of breath. Let the chest open. The heart soften. Move down to the belly. Feel it rise and fall with no effort. Now bring awareness to your back. Feel the spine supported. Let every muscle gently release. Soften the hips, the thighs, your legs heavy, sinking into the bed. Relax the knees, the calves, the ankles, and the feet, all the way down to the toes. Soft, still, completely at ease. whole body is now resting, calm, safe, held in stillness. Feel yourself floating in this stillness. Peaceful, whole, home. As the mind quiets, the body softens, and you gently slip into sleep. Let every breath take you deeper. Deeper into rest, into calm, into peace. You are safe. You are loved. You are free to let go completely and fully now. Sleep well.